My name is Ina, and I'm with Rex Academy. And what's your name?
I'm Samuel Stewart.
Gotcha. And how old are you?
I'm 10 years old now. Birthday was yesterday.
So that means you're going into 5th grade, right?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. And did you have any other computer experience before Rex?
Yeah, plenty. I had lots of computer experience. I worked with virtual machines and also programming, Python and everything.
And wait, where did you learn that? At school?
I taught myself.
Wow. And so what curriculum are you studying now at Rex? Are you learning Python as well?
Java.
Java. Nice. So what skills have you learned with Java?
I've learned how to program more complex kind of things.
Like what?
Like a program that can print.
Nice. So what do you plan to do with like the skills that you learned at Rex?
I'm not really sure. I'm gonna use them for something. I'm not really sure yet. Ugh.
That's a good answer. So what's the most fun thing from your Rex classes?
Well,
Or the summer camp sessions?
Well, my teachers were really nice and funny, and they always paid attention to whatever I had to say.
So how would we make Rex even more awesome for you?
Well, I think, I'm not really sure. I think it's perfect the way it is.
So would you say that Rex helped you achieve the computer skills that you wanted to learn?
Yeah, it helps me achieve the Java computer skills.
Nice. And would you recommend Rex to your friends?
Yeah, but not many of them are into programming as I am.
Oh, that's too bad. Maybe this will change it.
I even tried to teach them one time. It didn't end so well.
What did you try to teach them?
I tried to teach them how to program in Python.
Wow, that's a complex way to start.
They're learning Scratch, though. They'll be there eventually.
It's a good start. All right, you're all set. So, what is your name?
My name is Meredith Stewart.
And how old is your child?
He is 10.
And why did he join Rex Academy?
So he had been taking group lessons during the year at a different coding school in person, and he had done camps over the summer with Rex programming that he had really liked. And one of the things we appreciated was that they had noticed kind of his aptitude for it. And so even when I think he took his first camp in 1st or 2nd grade. And after that summer, they encouraged him to move him into the middle school level camps that they were doing. And so we kind of appreciated that they had taken, just for summer camp even, had sort of taken the initiative to contact us and ask us to move him ahead. So when his coding school closed, we started looking for something that also was a little more specific to where he was at and what he wanted to learn. And so we tried a private online lesson for Java, which was what he was interested in, and he had a great time. So we've been going from there.
Wow. So what skills have they learned through their curriculum classes?
So what he's taking right now, he's been learning to, and I'm really bad at programming. He didn't get any of this from me. I don't know anything about, I can barely operate a computer. So he's been learning just different programming skills, and he's created some programs, right? But he seems to be really enjoying it and advancing pretty nicely. So we're pleased.
So would you say that the cost is justified for the classes?
I think so, especially because he's on the younger side. So we've decided to do kind of the private lessons for him, and he's really just been able to get some great attention and move forward with that. So I think that's been great. And one of the things that I did forget to mention was that at a Rex programming camp last summer, he was attempting to learn some stuff. Was it in Java, I think?
No.
attempting to do something, and one of the instructors who was filling in for the day and hadn't been there before pulled me aside and said, we have this like Java class that he can take, and I think it'd be a great opportunity for him. So no, I think that like sort of the attention to his individual needs and skills has been really worth it for sure.
So what surprised or impressed you most about what he learned from Rex?
I think one of the things that's been so great is Marissa, his teacher, is fantastic at communicating. She sends videos of their sessions. She sends up-to-date summaries of how the class went. She's very patient, guiding. I mean, we've been very impressed with that so far. I think that's been really good.
And where did you first hear about us?
At summer camp. The school where he usually goes to different summer camps during the summer, Rex programming covered their all of their technology camps. So he did, I think it was in his summer between first and second grade, he did basically every camp that he could, and they were all run by Rex. And so then the next summer, same thing, but they had moved him up to the sort of 4th, 5th, and 6th grade level classes at that point. So it was through camp that we heard about it at first.
Wow. So how could we make Rex even more beneficial for your child?
I'm kind of with him. I don't really know. He, one of the things that I guess I don't know if I didn't realize it or what, when we looked into having him taking in-person classes, the location was just too far. We couldn't kind of make it work with where we live. And so then with everything kind of shutting down and everyone going on lockdown, finding out that the online option was available was really great. And I think that, if more people knew that was an option, that might be even better. But no, so far we've been super pleased about everything.
Wow, I'm really glad to hear that. And that was actually my last question.
Okay.
So thank you so much.